Well, at the moment, I can't really mount the neck until we have the bridge. Not in a super hurry to anyway. I kind of want the neck to be completely finished by the time we do that. So, one of the next steps is frets, but I can't help but think we're so nice and tight in the pocket that I think we could, I honestly think we could be safe in going ahead and carving all of this and just having that done. I think maybe we will. Maybe we will. Yeah. What could possibly go wrong? Damn it. Oh, shit. Yeah, okay. Kind of forgetting the fact that either the pocket's going to have to deepen slightly, or we're going to have to shave some off the back of the neck. And either way, that's going to change the geometry of this. So we can't do this yet. We have to have the bridge first, so we know. I mean, that's why we need the bridge first before we can really mount the neck, is because we have to know how high to mount it. Yeah. I'm an idiot. I mean, I didn't call the channel Bonehead for nothing. However, we didn't do any real damage, and you know, that looks kind of cool. So. Okay, well, I guess we'll put some frets on. So I sanded pretty much everything to 320 on the neck. I think we're about ready to fret, except I want to get a couple coats of finish on it first. We can put some on after frets, but it's easier to do at least a couple before. So, I'm going to do light coats just so I don't flood the slots, and I don't have to worry about that. You can clean them up after, but kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, I busted out my little bit of stainless, so I could cut our 0 fret. I'm not going to place that one yet. That one's going to go on. I'm pretty sure this time I'm going to wait until after we level crown and polish and everything is done, and then I'll put the 0 on. This is our last chance to double check, make sure we are as flat as you could possibly ever hope to be. My God, that's as flat as it can be. Yay us. Neat. watching this, most likely you've seen me do this a number of times. When I get bored of doing frets, I take a break and it's easier to do some of these rather than everybody all at once. Let me get it mostly flush. So when it comes time to do them all together, there's very little to do. No angle yet, just, no bevel. Just get everybody close to flush. Now that's done, I think we're pretty much flush. Try to save the final to flush everybody at once. Just make sure everybody really is flush with each other. Before we put a bevel on. Looks like a good bevel. Now, level, ground, polish, all that shit.
Yes. Now you can, on a very, 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 very low temperature, low and slow. It's far easier as well with a carved top instrument to get that to match the shape of the curves, etc., than it would be with a veneer, which is an absolute nightmare. That was not fun. Collaborate, put photographs and video and voice, any number of things. yes, I think at some point I do need to build one of those. I really, really, really do. And I'm sorry that Letha ignored you. She's a baby. More people use hide glue than in electric guitar building, but it's still not particularly common. And oftentimes they will use it as a marketing thing, really, in my opinion. And violin making, many violin makers use hide glue. And Felis Bonovic said, a super chat but no question. If you have a question, then please put it in the main comments and somebody will point it out to me, I hope. If not, thank you for the Sweetie Guitars has come in and says, I've got an extra ziricote John, I need to spoil it.
Stainless is horrible.
I feel so guilty. Here we go, Jay's Truck, he says, after your better suggested pictures from the pictures from the antique store last week, and also the emails and new pictures I picked up. I want to check my email. I want the new stunning plates shots with hello. Maybe say a little bit more like that if you want. It's like watching the Lord of the Rings movies. They're incredible, but you read the book and it's incredible.
Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.